Hey, Tube of Views, I'm going to talk some smack about somebody, and if you like them, I'm sorry. It needs to be said.
Hey guys, I just thought it was kind of cool. You can see that rainbow up in the clouds in the reflection.
So this is going to be a slightly different video than normal. I hope you don't mind. You guys know YouTubers that detail. I know YouTubers that detail. I've been watching a bunch of them for years. One in particular, detailing by Drake. This guy is a 27-year-old hack. I say hack, I didn't always think that. I thought maybe he had a ton of potential and he had a lot of energy and he's obviously got traction, crazy traction on YouTube. I don't, and I don't know why, but I don't care. My reasoning for putting videos out is to do two things. One, speak to either the amateur detailer who's having a hard time figuring out how to make money doing this, and maybe the weekend warrior detailer who wants to polish up his boat so that he can look cool out on the lake. And I think I'm fairly effective at that. I mean, this is what I do all day long. And it's something that Drake can't do. He can't do it. He can't take a buffer and get this finish. And yeah, I've got a random orbital there, but that's just for the wax. That compound and that buffer did this. So that's why I'm shooting the video this way. I, for 2 years, reached out to Drake and suggested that maybe he took up some of my techniques and watched a video or two and asked me a question and filled in the gaps for him so that he became or would become a better detailer. Now, for 2 years, he's basically ignored me. I get comments like, yeah, buddy, whatever works for you, that's great. Meanwhile, he's bragging about making $530 in a day. I don't see how. I watched his videos. He goes through 18 steps to do the same thing I do in 2. 18 steps, actually no. I think 7 or 9 steps for the last boat video I watched for him. And the whole time, I'm either cringing or laughing because everything that he does is ridiculous. But he swears that he's really good at it. 2 years. You know what I could forget in 2 years? More than he knows. Now, he uses a random orbital polisher just like I do, but he also uses 2 or 3 of its cousins because he doesn't know how to do this. This is basic detailing. And if you can't do it, well, I guess you do the other thing and sell product. Now, why is it Detailing by Drake has a new product that he pushes almost every other week? Maybe he's not so interested in being a detailer and more interested in making revenue off YouTube. And to prove that point, here's a screen capture from a recent dialogue that he and I had where he got bent out of shape because I have a video with a title card that says, free boat detailing class, are you watching, Drake? In response to him trying to sell a $1,000 boat detailing class where it wasn't really a class, it was just an opportunity to sell you some new stupid ceramic coating. Yay. I used to do that back when I was a bad kid. You want to learn this technique? Give me a call. Show up. I got boats for days. You want to work on black boats? I got black boats. You want to work on white boats? I got white boats. You want to do hulls, topsides, helm stations, interiors, canvas, isinglass? I got it. Drake has stuff all over his face, and he talks like this all day long, and he's always sniffing. I don't know why. Maybe it's allergies. Maybe it's allergies. Maybe it's allergies. I don't think it's allergies. You guys decide. You decide what you're gonna do. You decide. Gotta turn my hat on. He's always got compound and product all over him, which means it's probably all over the boat, which is why he spends 2 to 3 days dealing with a boat, because half of the mess that he has to clean up is his own. Now, I'm here, I've been working all day. I seem pretty clean. Oh, there's a little bit. But I'm not lazy, I'm not sloppy, and I certainly don't go around telling everybody 18 different steps to do something that takes 2. So if you see Drake, you see his videos, let him know that Local Boy Did Good says that he's a hack. And I've challenged him, told him, I'll do a boat with you. I'll pick one side, you pick the other side. My side will last longer, it'll look better, and it'll get done quicker. You know what he said? Good for you. I don't want to learn. That's kind of all you need to know about Detailing by Drake. A detailer that doesn't want to learn how to do it better? Next.